Hi, I'm Brandon Behrens with the Benny Keith Culinary Resource Team. Today we're going to show a few recipes using the 44 Farms Benny Keith Chicken Fried Cutlet. So this is your traditional chicken fried steak platter. Got mashed potatoes, the 8-ounce 44 Farms cutlet, green beans topped with peppered gravy. The next item we have here, we took the 2-ounce slider size and then made a country style Benedict. What we did was a buttermilk biscuit. Then we put the 2-ounce slider, top it with peppered gravy, eggs over easy or sunny side up, and then your choice of potatoes. Then the next item, we've got a slider. So we did a traditional slider. We took a brioche bun, some Bibb lettuce, sliced tomato, the 2-ounce slider size, and easily this product can be tossed or topped with barbecue sauce, buffalo sauce, ranch, or a number of other sauces. The last item we've got for you is doing a steak finger. So we did mashed potatoes, gravy, topped with a little bit of tomato, green onion, cilantro, the 44 Farms fingers, and then finish it with sliced avocado. You could also do this item with queso, would be something different as well. Here are a few recipes using the 44 Farms Benny Keith Chicken Fried Steak. As you can see, it's quick, easy to use, low labor cost for back of the house. All you have to do is fry it. Many different size offerings for lots of different application ideas. Thanks and have a great day.